Now let us see how the question or full question will be like. This is how these questions will come. Now, after all those lessons, now we are able to answer this question. It says, a sugar factory sells sugar in bags or mean weight repeated. You now summarize the question. So now in our solution here, they are giving us the mean weight. So mean weight repeated kgs, comma, and standard deviation, now this is sigma 2.5. If they give you variance, now you get the square root of that variance to get the sigma. But now they are giving us just standard deviation. Our standard deviation is always given by sigma equal to that. Given that the weight of bags are normally distributed, find the probability that the weight of any bag randomly selected lies between 51.5 and 53 kgs. So meaning now these are variables in normal distribution. Now it means that we have to convert them to standard norm so that we can easily get their probabilities from the tables. How do you convert them? We use this formula that Z is equal to X minus mu over sigma. So this is our sigma. So now, so they want the weight, first step, the weight, the probability that weight is between 51.5, this X is our number of bags, to 53. Now if we have said, let X be the weight of bags, so that we can narrate someone that the X we are seeing is the weight of bags between this and this. Now these are the X, so they are normal. So we convert them to standard normal by using this formula. So this will be now the probability of now, you get this X, now this is the X. Then minus their mean over standard value deviation less now Z. If you do this, now this X is converted into a Z. 53 minus 50. 2.5. And then replace this, you'll be getting, this will be 1.5 divided by 2.5. Here I'm getting the probability of 0.6 less than less. There I'm getting 3 divided by 2.5, 1.2. Feel free to sketch this so that you don't make mistakes. So this is the probability that we have. You see that all of them are positives. So means that they are going to be this side. So if this is our, now their standard normal mean is 0. So we have 0.6 and then we have 1.2. So this is the mean we want. This is the probability we want. We say this will be the probability of the mean. That's 1.2. Then minus the probability of this from the previous lesson. This is what I'm saying. Then you get these probabilities. You read the table. Please read the table. The values, I should have written the values of that using a table. So this will be 0.3, 8, 4, 9. Then minus, this one is going to give us 0.2258, and then the subtract. We get 0.1591. That's the probability that a bag will be between this and that weight. So then when we come to part B, part B, find the percentage of bags whose weight exceeds this. Now percentage, we first get the probability. So X exceeds, the weight exceeds 54. Now you convert this to a standard normal. This will be the probability. Now this one becomes Z, the same sign. Now this is X, 54, minus mu, which is repeated, the whole over 2.5. This will give you probability of Z above. So that will be 4 divided by, which is 1.6. 1.6. Now, this one on our curve, if you have to sketch this, it's going to be something like this. This is our 1.6. You want above that. We say, because all of this is 0.5, so you get 0.5 minus this from here, shall be get the remaining. So this will be 0.5 minus the probability of 0 less Z less 1.6, which will be 0.5 minus 1.6. Here I'm getting 0.4452. For the small places, and then subtract that from 0.5, get 0.0548. Now the percentage, this is the probability. Now the percentage, we just multiply this with 100. So the percentage, we get 0.0548 times 100, which will give you 5.48. So this is the percentage. You are feel free. This is the percentage that the bags are about 54. This is the percentage. I'm going to find them as 54. 5.48%. When you come now to part C, they are telling us that the number of bags, find the number of bags out of 1,000. Now it means that the total number of bags were 1,000 that were purchased. If weight that will be rejected out of 1,000, if weight below 45 kilograms. Now, they are giving us the number of bags. They want us to get the number. These people are buying, they are going to reject bags which are weighing below 45 kilograms. So, how are we going to get the number? What we do, we first get their total, their probability. The probability of these bags below this. Then after, we multiply the probability with 1,000, and then we see the answer we shall get. So now I first get the probability of X below 45. We first analyze it. Now Z, the same sign, 45 minus the mean, which is 50. From there, over 2.5. So this will be now probability of Z less. This is going to give us -5, which is giving us -2. How do we sketch that? -2, we have it to the side. You sketch. I can do them without sketching, but I do it so that you also do it. This one, so if we are below this, we shall get 0.5 minus this from here, we shall get the remaining. So this will be now. Let's magnitude of this, which will be 0.5. That's 2. Then you get a probability there. Minus 0.4772. When you subtract, the answer will get 0.0228. So this is the probability. So out of the 1,000, you are multiplying the probability of this, the bands which are below that. Now to get the number, our number of bands below what 5 will be. We get this probability 1,000, the total times this probability of these ones 0.228. And multiply there and 1,000, we are going to shift this to 22.8. Now, when you have a decimal, we round off to the next integer. Our next integer is going to be 23 bags. be the answer. So that's how we expect a full question of 12